Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Java on Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do, go ahead, log into your Windows box, and then from there you can go ahead and open one of your web browsers. Then you can go ahead and navigate to oracle.com/Java. And once you get to this page, you can go ahead and click on Download Java button up here in the right corner. So once you click that, this will bring you to Java's download page, and then from here you can pick the version of the Java that you want installed on your system. In my case, I'm going to go with the latest one, so JDK 21 is here, and then down here you can choose the operating system. Again, we're going to do this on Windows today, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Windows here. Then you have three options here. You can download a zip file, the regular exe installer. In my case, I'm just going to do the regular exe installer, so I'm going to go ahead, click on the link here, and that will initiate a download. Once you have this package downloaded, you can go ahead and open it. So I'm going to go ahead here and open the directory, so we can see we have it down in our downloads directory. So you can double click on it and that will start the installation. And then at that point, all you have to do is just follow through that installation wizard. So here you can click next. Then you'll be asked for a directory where you want Java to be installed. I recommend you stick to the default settings here, but if for one reason or another you need to put it in a different directory, this is where you can do that. You can go ahead, click change here and point it to a new location. Again, I recommend keeping it to the defaults. Then you can go ahead and click next and just wait for the installation process to complete. And once you see this message here that Java was successfully installed, you can go ahead, click close, and you should have Java installed in your system. Now, to confirm that Java is installed in your system, all you have to do is go here, click on start, and open your command prompt. And in the command prompt, you can just run java -- version, and if you have Java, it will display the version of Java that you have installed in your system. So the next thing I'll show you is how to remove Java in case you decide you no longer need it. To do that, all you need to do is, again, from your terminal, all you have to do is run appwiz.cpl, and that will open your programs and features. And from here, you will see where your Java is. You can go ahead and select it, and then you can go ahead and click on uninstall. And then you can go ahead and confirm with the yes, and that will remove Java completely for your system. And again, to confirm if Java's been removed, you can run that same command, java -- version. And as you can see, Java is no longer on your system. And this is how it's done. I hope this video was useful to you. If you liked it, please go ahead, click on the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, please go ahead and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.